Hey guys, today I'll be talking about the C++ coding language. If you're new to coding, I'd suggest watching our video explaining coding languages, which is linked in the top right corner and in the description. This is the first part of our C++ series, so if you want more of the series, please like and subscribe to support the channel. Now, let's get started. So, what is C++? C++ is an object-oriented coding language. Later you'll learn what that means, but for now it doesn't really matter. In our first coding language video, we were discussing lists of commands and flow statements. I'll quickly explain how you can use these in C++. Using wavy brackets and semicolons, you can create these lists of commands. The brackets work like a box around the commands, and everything in this box is used like a single command. The commands in this box are separated by semicolons to build a list in this box. To create an if statement, type if and then write the condition in normal brackets. I'll give a more in-depth look into the conditions in another video. Now you can add a command or list of commands behind the condition. The if statement can also be paired with an else statement, sometimes referred to as an elif statement. You simply type else behind your previous if command and add another command or list of commands. The if statement is handled like a single command, so you can also combine else with a new if statement. The result is an else if option with a new condition. The for loop is slightly more complicated. The for loop in C++ works a bit differently from most other coding languages. In C++ you define a variable, define a condition related to the variable, and add an option, how the variable will be changed. To do that you write for, then the attributes of the loop in the brackets, split up using semicolons. For example, for int I is smaller than 10, I++. The int I is a definition of a variable called I. I'll go into more detail with variables in another video. I is smaller than 10 is a condition that says it will be repeated as long as I is smaller than 10. I++ means that I is incremented, meaning increased, every time this is repeated. The actual commands to be looped are written behind it, like an if statement. The while loop is set up like an if statement, except there's no else option and you don't write if, but while. That's only the start of our C++ series. If you want more, please consider supporting the channel by liking and subscribing, and we'll see you next time.